情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pump。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。
Josephine， 这附近有没有加油站啊？
有，不远哎，这加油是不是？
嘿呀，
就是加油的意思嘛。好 ，to pump gas， 加油叫做
加油。
加油 ，OK， 车快没油，我们去加油站吧。The car is running out of gas, so let's go to a gas station.
踩啲杯冇油咧，
踩啲杯冇油咧。
你來去加油站啦。
你來去加油站啦。OK， 其實有的時候出遠門一定要記得先加油嘛，對不對？
對啊。
So let's teach you that. 出遠門之前記得加油。Remember to pump gas before you go on a long trip.
出門愛去。
出門愛去。
卡宴嘅收菜之前。
卡宴嘅收菜之前。
愛記得加油。
愛記得加油。Remember to pump gas. 記得 that means to remember. 加油 is to pump gas before you go out. 出門叫做
出門。
出門 that means to leave or go on a trip. All right, these are useful phrases. Let's review them, including pumping gas. 加油。
加油。
加油 and then a gas station. 加油站。
加油站。
加油站 and then to leave or go on a trip. 出門。
出門。
出門 and there you have it. Another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
是誰上來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.